Hello. Today I'm here to talk about the importance of vitamin D in our diets for an active and healthy life. These days, it's very common occurrence to have a vitamin D deficiency in most people. When we go for a blood test and the vitamin D report comes out, a higher number of people suffer from its deficiency. And surprisingly, given the fact that our own bodies can produce vitamin D from sunlight. Isn't it easy? Yet, we suffer from its deficiency. More so, it becomes important and crucial now that we take care of our vitamin D levels. Why is vitamin D so important? Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin which is essential for the absorption of calcium in our body. And yes, we all know why calcium is important. Since childhood, we've been told if you want healthy and strong teeth and bones, include calcium in your diet. And milk has been the most popular food item that contributes to the enhancement of calcium for us. In the absence of vitamin D or the deficiency of vitamin D, calcium absorption will be impaired. As a result, our teeth and bones would become weak. Don't underestimate the importance of teeth and bones, because if the teeth become weak, our eating would be impaired. If our bones become weak, our activity levels would be impaired. And of course, we don't want any of these to happen. So what's the answer? The best answer is to expose ourselves to sunlight for at least half an hour to an hour every day. Given our lifestyles, it becomes very difficult to do that. We are used to our comforts of staying indoors, moving around in vehicles, and whenever we have the opportunity to go out in the sun, we either shield ourselves with an umbrella or quickly run indoors. I think we'll have to change those habits and try to give our bodies the maximum sunlight exposure we can. Given the lockdown these days, it becomes even more difficult to do that. And thus, the answer, or let's say the viable solution that is left for us, is to include as many as vitamin D rich foods in our diet as possible. Usually, vitamin D is present in fatty fish and egg yolks and other non-vegetarian food sources. In case you are a vegetarian, your best bet is mushrooms, cheese, milk and milk products, as well as foods that are fortified with vitamin D. Milk is an excellent source of calcium, but when it comes to vitamin D, it is fortified with vitamins A and D to make them available to the body. Tofu is an excellent vegetarian source for vitamin D. Another option that one can exercise is to include vitamin D supplements in the diet. This way, biologically available vitamin D would be provided to our bodies. You could also include cod liver oil supplements that are easily available in the market. Pop one capsule a day, and that would take care of your vitamin D levels. Also, it is important that you read food labels and choose foods that are fortified with vitamin D. Some common examples are orange juice, milk, and cereal products. So I hope this video would help you make the right choices and improve your vitamin D levels to stay active and lead a healthy life.